Can you drive immediately after auto glass replacement, especially on Irvine roads? You should wait at least 30 to 60 minutes before driving after an auto glass replacement. This wait time allows the urethane adhesive to cure enough to hold the glass securely in place. Driving too soon can weaken the bond, cause leaks, or even make the windshield unsafe in a collision. Technicians usually provide a safe drive-away time based on the adhesive used in current weather conditions. In Irvine, roads can be busy with frequent stops, starts, and lane changes that put added stress on a newly installed windshield. Hitting potholes or driving over speed bumps too soon after replacement can shift the glass before the adhesive sets. Waiting the full recommended curing time helps ensure your windshield stays firmly in place and ready to handle the vibrations and bumps common on Irvine streets. At Mobile Auto Glass OC, we always advise our Irvine customers to follow safe drive-away times for maximum durability. We complete installations with industry-approved adhesives and curing methods, ensuring your windshield is ready for the road's demands. By bringing our mobile service directly to you, we make it easier to replace your glass without compromising on safety.